Memory card prices are increasing. Samsung has launched their Exynos 2600 processor. Now we can buy Google Pixel phones on EMI. In the technology world between USA and China, China is now going to be successful. Something is going to happen in the tech world that you can't even imagine. Especially a secret weapon from Samsung that is shaking even Snapdragon and Apple. In today's video, I will give you some updated news of tech world that you must know. The last news will save your pocket money, so don't miss it at all. Number 1. This time, the line is going to be at the Samsung store, not the Apple store. First, let's talk about Samsung. We all know Apple or Snapdragon processors are fastest, right? But Samsung is bringing the world's first 2nm chipset Exynos 2600. Why it is special? Transistors millions of times smaller than a normal hair have been used in it. Samsung claims its NPU capability increased by 113% and the graphics will be 50% more powerful than before. It has Exynos 940 GPU. For the first time, a processor will support 8K 60 FPS video. Here we will get 39% better CPU performance and 50% better GPU and ray tracing performance. Heat management will also 16% better. This is what Samsung has claimed. This time, Samsung will use its in-house technology instead of TSMC. While TSMC is thinking of increasing the price by 10% every year on their chipsets, Samsung can offer a good chipset there by keeping the price low for this processor. The technology of this processor is EAA based, so there will gates on all sides. Because of this, power leakage will decrease. This will boost performance, and according to leaks, this processor is scoring higher than Apple A19 Bionic and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It will be a 10-bit processor where there will be 6 efficiency cores of 2.75 GHz, 3 performance cores of 4.5 GHz. This deca-core chipset is of ARM architecture, which includes a prime core C1 Ultra whose speed is 3.8 GHz. So when it is coming, most likely we will see it with the Galaxy S26 series at the beginning of the next year. Number 2. Look, the machines used to make the processors for smartphones are made by only one company in the world, and that is ASML, a company from the Netherlands. But China has made the EUV lithography machine by reverse engineering. We saw news that China was trying to reverse engineering by opening this machine in various ways, and then the machine broke down. China could not repair that machine. Finally, they were forced to call ASML engineers, and the theft was caught there. According to a secret leak, they have been able to make a machine like ASML themselves. Testing is being done with its prototype in a secret lab, and the news leaked from China. It is expected that this machine will start working between 2027 and 2030. If that happens, it will be a huge achievement for China. If you have watched the video this far, you must have liked it, so give it a like. Number 3. Memory card prices are increasing. Demand has increased due to AI, so prices of everything from smartphones to laptops and all electronic items worldwide are increasing. Number 4. Google is going to launch the facility to buy Pixel phones on EMI in various countries including India. In the meantime, if any new variant of Google launches, we can exchange the phone with the previous one. Some extra cost we'll have to pay it for this. How did you like the news? Definitely let me know in the comments and subscribe for more.